Airsoft. Never played it. And today I'm gonna be looking at my friend's Airsoft montage to see like if I could like do it. Like I have no experience, no idea, but I'm gonna say like if it looks easy to do or if it looks like hard to do. So I say let's begin. It's gonna have no audio cut to a song, and I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so let's begin. Okay. See, it's just this. It's like I'm scared to play Airsoft because that like it hurts, like when you get shot. So I'm sorry. Let's begin. So right, tap shoulder, run. Wow. That looks easy. let's look at that again. I'm surprised how no one hit him. How did not a single person thought, yeah, no, how about I stand up? Which is bizarre to me. How does that? You know what? I think I'm looking too deep into this. He probably it was a strategic play. So let's see. What is he shooting at? It's that same corner, isn't it?
What are you so mad about? It's a game.
Bro, it's not about, I'm not laughing at that. Look at like how the hand shakes from this guy. Look at his hand. Look at his hand. Bro, oh my god. See, like that's what's mad, you know? Like that's the thing with like Airsoft and people getting mad at in Airsoft. In footy, if someone gets mad at you, they have nothing, you know? Like what are they gonna? Like, maybe they can like punch you, or like even slide tackle you, but you can just run away. In Airsoft, it's like they have a gun. You know, even if it's pellets, like if he puts that on like that, like he can like just keep on shooting, and it just and that's like and then you get hurt. Like that's what like worries me the most. It's not because like there's no like limits on the gun. It's not like if you're out they can't. It's not like laser tag where it's like all electrified. This is like they're like. People are playing by like rules that like they barely even follow. That's what's mad. So this guy could have easily like maybe shot like 3 pellets or 3 balls at this kid. I mean, it's just what am I looking at here? Let's look at that again. It like that doesn't look. He just flanked them, flanked the whole fucking team. So we go 1, 2. Like these people, they probably weren't even playing. Why is this? Why is this part of the clip? These fuckers are not like. They're not even in combat. What was it? Oh, come on now. Come on now. Look at the size of that and look at the size of this. What is this guy doing? Is he playing with like maybe like 40-year-olds? Why don't they like react? That is bullshit. no way he didn't get hit. No, look at the slowness of this guy. He has it pointed. Look, he has it pointed at. Of course, you can't fucking see it here, but no. Oh my god, game's gone. Look, right there it is. Let's freeze frame a couple. Look at the direction of that. This kid, of course, hits that, and then he's gonna look. He looks the other way, and this guy cannot just hit him. Is who are you playing with? This is mad. And by the way, guys, I don't think I've said it. His name is SSG Aribi, and you should subscribe to him. Oh wait, no, and turn on noties. Alright, let's keep watching. Where were we? We were here. Yeah, here we go. That's impressed. That's what? Hold up. Where did it? What the fuck? How did he see that? How did he see that? Is he? What is this scanning? What the fuck? No way. Oh, okay. He got hit. Let me see that again. So, does he? That. Bam. Where is he aiming at? Why is it directed that way? Let's keep watching. Oh, come on, man. Right in the... This guy's not using any armor whatsoever. That's the same guy from last time. Look at this. Right here. Okay, well that's... Okay, I kind of get that. I'm just so, like... I'm, like, dumbfounded by this. Is he not wearing any armor? That's, like, just crazy. And then how did he see that? How in the fuck? How does he see that? How does he see? I'm sorry. And what is this kid doing? What type of servers is he playing on? This kid is looking at him straight on, and he can't even like hit him. Like, Mo, did you like pay these people to play like shit? How does he just? How does he not like? How does this kid lose this 1v1? And then this guy is lost. These guns make sounds, right? They're like or some shit. Right? How does this guy not hear the commotion that is going on? He shot like 3 bullets, three balls. And then what is mad is this guy gets shot. There are like 3 in here. They have full view of the pink guy and how he got hit. You know, if someone reacts like this, they're like, okay, well, never mind. Now I gotta sit down. Or like that. Like, where do you think they got hit? In the chest? No, they got hit. And you have to like, what is this, fam? And then this guy, slowest reaction. How do you let him turn? How do you let him turn? And this guy is more than lost. That is mad. I would definitely do better than that if I were to play. Or not. We gotta go back to this as well. Where is it? Here. Like, how does he? Not a single ball is being shot. I would be mad too if I couldn't even have the balls to like even like he doesn't even do anything. It's not he misses. There's like and there's 0. But you just know the moment that this happened, he just knew this would be perfect for the video. And we also have to look at that. How do you dare to even run up when he has a like a fucking what's this shit called, an airsoft gun aimed right directly at you? What? No, the balls this guy has to just run up like that. Mo could have easily like that. And another thing, how do you see that this guy's about to punch you? Like, and you just back up a little. Why don't you use the fucking gun to like block yourself or something? Are those made of plastic or like metal? You just hold that here. What is he gonna do? Hook it? He hooks it. You know what I mean? And then another one. Where is it? Yeah, here. This. No. Oh yeah, no. Here's where it is. Look at this. Look, like this guy. Right. He peeks. Full direct blow. Doesn't hit him. Then this guy, how does he not just see that like turn? You know what? And he runs away. So, and he was standing too. That is just bizarre. And then this, I don't know how he just sees that guy over there. And that one, he didn't even get anyone. He just got hit. And then this guy, no armor. And then the kid. It's so crazy to me. And then, what is that? Like, he got jammed or something. It's just, that's insane. I don't think I would ever do that. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, well, now I'm kind of back, you know, because I'm low-key, like, I haven't been posting anything. Well, now I fixed my computer, and now I should be posting more. So, yeah, well, goodbye now.